More than a dozen local lawyers and business owners have sent a letter to the county of Kern saying the county's stay-at-home orders are unconstitutional. 17's Karen Hua spoke with several people who signed on to that document as they laid out their case.
The question at heart here is, when is the government allowed to step on people's freedoms for the sake of the public's health?
Well, at first, I was totally in agreement with everything that we were doing. Obviously, we had a new threat we had never seen before.
On April 2nd, Kern Public Health issued a stay-at-home order, closing all non-essential businesses and banning gatherings of any kind. Now, for Casey's Steakhouse and other small businesses,
sales are down at least 75%. We've already invested our savings and our time into the last 5 weeks, 6 weeks, and it's a little scary wondering if we're going to have to do this for another 6 weeks.
So a group of local lawyers and business owners wrote a 4-page letter to the Board of Supervisors, calling the stay-at-home order unconstitutional and asking the county to overturn it. It reads in part, quote, "It appears that the order is not authorized by law, violates the U.S. Constitution, and is unduly vague and broad, and very likely could lead the county of Kern being financially liable."
I'm willing to do any of the guidelines that the health department sets forth, but we're ready to have the able-bodied, healthy Americans be able to come out and have a lunch, even if it's only 10 people in our building.
Among the 19 signers, 6 are lawyers. Also represented are Mechanics Bank, 10 Star Farms, Inspire Salon, Carpet Outlet Plus, among others.
I don't think that our letter was meant to be threatening any kind of litigation that way, but it definitely was just a concern of ours.
The letter cites part of the Health and Safety Code that allows officials to quarantine infected or likely infected people, but not the entire county. It also argues the stay-at-home order violates the First, Second, and Fifth Amendments.
Do I believe it's the fault of our Board of Supervisors and our health department? I do not. I believe it's our governor's stay-at-home order that he keeps on us. So I don't know if the letter went to the right people, but it was the only chain of command that I knew to get to, and so I signed.
Now, we have not received a comment through County Council on their perspective, but we have heard the Board of Supervisors will discuss this issue next Tuesday at their meeting. In Bakersfield, Karen Hua, 17 News.